Hey guys, today I'll be making birria or birria tacos for you today. Also, I just want to let you know there will be a part 2 for this. First, you'll need 20 cups of water and 2 to 5 pounds of chuck roast. 1 large onion, 1 whole garlic, 10 bay leaves, 10 guajillo chilies, 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon with chicken flavor, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 10 cut up carrots. The carrots give it a ton of flavor. Please do it. Trust me on this, trust me. Stir your chuck roast and let it cook for 1 hour. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make the oil. The oil spices you need is 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon with chicken flavor, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a half a tablespoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Then set aside. Then you'll get your coffee grinder and grind up 2 bay leaves, 2 whole cloves, and 3 guajillos. You're gonna blend it up and put it in your oil spices. After it's all blended, add it to your oil spices. After that, stir it all up together. After that, we're gonna get to our oil. After we're done stirring our spices, we'll get the 2 cups of oil and heat it till it's done, like in the video. Next, we're gonna pull it off the stove and infuse it with 1 guajillo chili. You'll know when it's done, when it's all crispy and darker than what it was before, like this. Once we're done infusing the oil, then we're gonna add the oil to the spices that we combined it all together. Don't forget to mix it right after you pour it in there so it won't burn or get stuck to the bottom. Once the hour is up, we're gonna go back and check our chuck roast. Then we're gonna take our guajillo chilies out and make it into a sauce type. You know, we're gonna just blend it up and make it into like a guajillo chili sauce and put it back into the chuck roast, so it gives it a little bit more flavor. Once we get that guajillo juice back into the pan, make sure you stir up really good so it can get all in that chuck roast and the vegetables in there, and then let it cook for 3 to 4 hours or till it falls apart. After 3 to 4 hours, you can tell in this video that the meat is falling apart. If it's falling apart like it looks like in the video, you can pull it out or let it sit for a little bit longer. It's up to you, but I am pulling it out at this time in the video, and then I'm going to blend it up with an electric hand mixer. The most easiest I've shredded up meat. And then after I'm done shredding this all up, I'm going to add 1 cup of the juice to give the chuck roast a little bit more flavor. Once the chuck roast is done, we can start making the tacos. First, you're going to dip your taco into the soup. Then you're going to dip it into the oil. Then you're going to set it in your pan. Put some cheese on it. Gooey cheese. And then you're going to put your chuck roast right on top of that. You can also put onions and cilantro on it if you want, that's what you like. I would let the tortilla sit for a minute, because if you flip it right after you put that on there, it'll still be a little soggy. So let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip it into a taco shape. After it's nice and crispy, there's your delicious birria taco. But we can't forget our juice for the taco. Here's your juice. And then you're gonna add a little bit of oil, get some of that spice from the bottom, and then it is perfect. It is good to go after that. Dip that taco right in there. There you go, your delicious birria tacos, or bria tacos, however you say it. This is my version of bria tacos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you try this out. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.